Your reality is a house of cards, and the table it sits on might be a cliff. Physicists call this the Higgs Field. It's the invisible energy ocean that gives particles mass. It makes atoms, you, and the universe possible. We assume it's in its true vacuum, its lowest, most stable energy state, the ground floor of reality. But what if we're wrong? What if our stable universe is just a local valley on a much steeper mountain, and at the bottom of that mountain is a deeper abyss? The false vacuum, a cosmic ticking bomb. Think of the universe as a marble resting in a valley. Our valley is comfortable, stable, the false vacuum. The deeper valley below is the true vacuum, the absolute bottom, the final stop. Right now, the marble is trapped in our valley by a hill of energy. It would need a kick to get over. In quantum physics, that kick is called tunneling, a random, spontaneous fluctuation. Given enough time, quadrillions of years perhaps, somewhere in the vast emptiness of space, a single, quantum-sized bubble of true vacuum could form. This is not an explosion. It is a phase change, like the first ice crystal forming in supercooled water. Inside this bubble, the laws of physics are different. Fundamental constants change. The Higgs field collapses to zero. Matter as we know it ceases to be possible. Atoms unravel. Chemistry is erased. And then it expands. Driven by unimaginable energy released in the transition, the wall of this bubble expands at the speed of light. There is no warning, no signal can outrun it. One moment you exist, the next an escapable wall of literal nothingness, a new barren reality touches you, and you, your planet, your star, your galaxy are rewritten. This is the false vacuum decay, the ultimate existential risk. Not an asteroid, not a black hole, the universe itself deciding its current state was a temporary mistake and hitting reset. The terrifying part? We don't know. Our best measurements of the Higgs mass suggest our vacuum might be metastable, not truly stable, just long-lived. We could be in a cosmic state that has lasted 13.8 billion years, but has a half-life of 1 trillion more. Or it could have already happened. A bubble of true vacuum could have formed 10 billion years ago, 1 billion light years away. Its light speed wall is still traveling. It could be halfway here. We would have no clue, no test, no measurement. The end of physics would be the first and last piece of evidence. The mind bend isn't the scale, it's the silence. This isn't a violent catastrophe, it's a correction. The universe would simply be updating to a more efficient, lower energy state, and in the process, erasing the complex accident that was us. We build our lives, our civilizations, on the assumption that the ground beneath us is final. The false vacuum theory says the ground is just currently solid. And somewhere in the quantum foam of empty space, the first domino for its liquefaction may have already fallen. We are not just living in the universe, we are living on it, and the lease might be temporary.